Hey friends, well I'm in the middle of trimming that tree out in the front of my yard, and my pole saw is only 8 inches. So one of the branches on the tree is about 12 inches wide, and so I can reach it with this chainsaw, but when I got ready to use the chainsaw I realized just how dirty it was, and the chain popped off as soon as I turned it on. So the battery has been taken out. So I think it's time that I gave it a cleaning. There is oil in it, so that's not the problem. But yeah, it's pretty nasty. And we did a lot of work in the backyard, and I put it away and didn't clean it. So that's not the best thing in the world to do with your chainsaw. But I've been a little busy, so this thing is pretty nasty. Yeah, it's so bad the chain is getting stuck in there. I might need a new chain. That's tree stuff. Okay, let me get something to clean it out. Now, let's test her out. Battery. All right, a moment of truth. She's ready to go. Later, y'all.